Неужто хотите здесь кого-то снова арестовать? Может быть, меня...
С тобой все в порядке?
When doggos rely...
No, don't take your phone. No. Billy, hey, leave it. Hey, hi. Bluey!
It's a one-of-one tip.
ยานหลุดลอย โอ้โอ้ไม่แข็งเลยโอ้ขอโทษน้อยเลย
Come on, go bigger. Go bigger. Go bigger. Come on, go bigger. Go bigger. Go bigger. Yeah. Go bigger.
They're getting out. They're coming towards us. Step back. Norma, paso.
One inch closer and it's a full alert. That nose has a built-in security system.
Here's your baby. Come on. She's right here. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, she's not doing that to me. She's doing it to the cat. Atlas. He's gonna choke on it. Don't let him. Can I have it?
I want to just cut it up for you, bud.
Shots. And she's all mad. So we're sitting here waiting on the vet to come back and give us our medicine. And she is being so dramatic right now.
Huskies have an incredible sense of smell. It means no meal is ever safe.
Track course, we think everything's all right again, but are we sure?
When Kitty turned grooming into a full activity session.
And then you get
Did you know the real battle is not stealing the food, it's keeping it after. She came to dominate.
Who receives the evidence and then analyzes it in some way, chemically, with a microscope, whatever. That
Lo dejé abierto para lavarlo, no para que te metieras. Salte. Salte.
If he could talk, he'd be asking for a one-way ticket to Alaska.
En mi refri, salte.
There. Give me some skin.
Oh, scheiße. Oh mein Gott. Go get it, you dork. Freaking crazy horse.
Mama Lion be like, calm on the outside, tracking everything on the inside. Panda Mom meets her triplets again after their health checkup. Such a sweet reunion.
Thank you.
To a sensitive nose, it's straight up a chemical attack.
Oh.
I'll close this gate.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot, I appreciate it.
There's your babies. Go on now. Get your baby and go.
Такара поранила Андрея.
He chose this watermelon, and now he must defend it with everything he has.
No!
Oh my god. I can't believe it got down.
Oh my god. Oh.
Who is it?
Being separated can be deeply stressful for them. That joyful rumback says everything.
Reese's, get down. Lay down. It's too early for this.
Every sniff, every touch, and that desperate hug tells a story of a bond that even surgery couldn't break.
Taz, we're weaning. You can't.
Every sniff, every touch, and that desperate hug tells a story of a bond that even surgery couldn't break. From a scary fall to a beautiful reunion, Mom's hugs are the best. Wild or not, a mom's priority is always the same: find her babies. Stronger than the pain, Corky really didn't want to lose her aura. No thanks and left. The real main character never runs away.
Come on, you want a snack?
Is that a good scratchy spot, princess?
Jones, what do you...
Jabberton root? It's called basoy? It's baton. Ate siya ba jdilit?
Brush your teeth, brush your teeth. It really is a fact. The more you brush, the less you plaque.
On the roller coaster of sleep.
You having fun? No, it's cool.
Yesterday, guys.
только вот изумруд лежит, не дать не взять, блядь.
Born underweight and separated early, Fiona's reunion makes this bond even more special.
Could you just open that door?
Okay, there we go.
Like avocado, mango, banana, carrots, traffic lights. I don't even know, but the word poopsie.
Young moose are naturally curious. Anything wet or messy instantly becomes their favorite hobby.
Here's your baby. Come on. She's right here. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, she's not doing that to me. She's doing it to the cat.
Pure peaceful energy in the wild. Personal space has officially been deleted when trust enters.
I see that you are cleaning your face.
We're going. It doesn't start till 10. We're going in a minute.
Mom with love.
That's not your baby.
When that doggo decided it's swimming season for everyone.
Deixa o gato branco. Laila. Laila. Laila.
To their birthday party.
Can someone tell me if this is normal grooming behavior?
When kitty's in a full do not disturb even if the word changes mode. Huskies are born to run, trained to jailbreak. She doesn't wait for opportunities, she creates exit.
1, 2, 3. There's one in there too. There it is. Oh my God.
That stillness isn't rest, it's protection in its most focused form. Nothing escapes Lion Mom's awareness.
that a good swim? Yeah.
Is this even a real husky? Where's the screaming? There is no bond quite as powerful as a mother's love, and these heart-wrenching reunions prove that it transcends species.
Боже мой, как же я по ней скучал! Моя дача! Дача!
Achievement unlocked for Doggo, from third wheel to the legal partner.
Rio.
I love to get in sparkly dresses.
Nibble, nibble a little bit, but I won't bite your heart. Yeah.
No. Pure peaceful energy in the wild. Personal space has officially been deleted when trust enters.
I see that you are cleaning your face.
Yeah, it's okay, Lollipop, I know. You don't want to be. Oh. Oh.
Did you just open that door?
Okay, there we go.
Huskies love attention, but only on their terms. Huskies are born to run, trained to jailbreak. She doesn't wait for opportunities, she creates exits.
It's gone.
вот изумруд лежит, не дать не взять, блядь.
Fun fact, baby elephants love water. This is less bath time and more festival mode. Panda mom meets her triplets again after their health checkup. Such a sweet reunion. And that's why huskies aren't just pets. They're full-time comedians. Thanks.
What's wrong with it? Ain't got no gas in it.
It's giving siblings arguing over nothing. That's not a fight. That's a dramatic negotiation. Fun fact, in alpaca herds, smell plays a big role in identifying family, friends, and strangers.
Yeah. Why?
Same problem, different personalities. The difference between act first and think first.
Kisses, can I have a kiss? Kisses.
Yo no soy gacha. Yo no soy gacha con nadie. Me da tristeza que yo vengo.
Puppies don't understand danger yet. She just sees a flying snack and chooses chaos immediately. Mama Lion be like, calm on the outside, tracking everything on the inside. Flight instinct. She chose a boss fight. Wild or not, a mom's priority is always the same. Find her babies. This elk entered the lake like he just unlocked summer vacation mode. The ocean says hi, and the penguin treats it like a once-in-a-lifetime event.
Get it.
Oh my god.
Rio.
Young moose are naturally curious. Anything wet or messy instantly becomes their favorite hobby. Because sometimes happiness is just one splash away. Thanks for watching.